So let's understand the figure and fig caption tag in HTML. I have a picture in my first folder, which is pic.jpg. So let's write the figure tag. So opening figure and closing figure, as it is a paired tag. Then in the figure tag, we have to write the image tag. The source would be pic.jpg. And I'm gonna delete this alternative attribute for this moment and write the width attribute. And I'm gonna give the value here 200 pixel. Let me save the file. You can see my image got displayed. So in the figure tag, we have a child tag, which is figcaption. So let me write the figcaption tag, which is also a paired tag. So opening figcaption and then closing figcaption. So in between this opening and closing figcaption, we give a caption for this picture, and that will be treated as a card. So this figure element is used to build cards in web pages. So if I give here a caption which is Adil says WHO is great, and if I save the file, you can see the caption Adil says WHO is great. So let's copy this figure tag again, Ctrl+C. Then I'm gonna paste this again. If I save the file, you can see we have two card or two figure in our web page, and those contains an image which has a caption Adil says WHO is great. So let's understand another tag in HTML, which is abbr tag, which stands for abbreviation tag. So this WHO is the abbreviation for World Health Organization. So before this WHO, I'm gonna write opening abbr, and I'm gonna cut the closing abbr from here and write the closing abbr after the WHO text. So this WHO text is in between this opening and closing abbr tag, means the WHO text is inside the abbreviation tag. This abbr tag has an attribute which is title. So I'm gonna write here the title, which is World Health Organization. And if I save the file, you can see this WHO text has underline, which is a dotted underline actually. And if I hover on this text, WHO text, it shows World Health Organization in a little pop-up. But I haven't used the abbreviation tag in this caption, so there is no dotted underline in this WHO text. But I have used this abbreviation tag in the first image caption, so it has a dotted underline, and if I hover on this, it shows World Health Organization in a little pop-up.